Mac Flecknoe is not a neutral poem. It is John Dryden staging a public insult, using the language of epic poetry to humiliate a rival, Thomas Shadwell. The central joke is simple. Dryden pretends to celebrate Shadwell, but only by crowning him king of stupidity. The poem opens like an epic, promising greatness, then swerves. Instead of a hero, we meet Flecknoe, an aging monarch who rules the kingdom of nonsense. His problem is succession. If he chose a poet with wit, the kingdom would collapse. So logic, twisted by satire, demands the dullest possible heir. That heir is Shadwell. Dryden paints Shadwell as dull by nature and by destiny. He is called a dunce, the prophet of tautology, someone who repeats rather than creates. Even Shadwell's body becomes metaphor. His bulk stands for writing that is bloated, slow, and heavy, full of words but empty of thought. The coronation pushes the mock epic further. Shadwell enters London, renamed Augusta to sound Roman and grand, yet his domain is a cultural slum of brothels and cheap theaters. This is not accidental scenery. Dryden is saying bad writing thrives where taste is low and spectacle replaces art. He sharpens the attack by naming Shadwell's real plays and surrounding him with other mediocre writers who envy his hollow success. The ceremony itself is a parody of sacred ritual. Instead of holy oil, Shadwell is anointed with ale. Epic fertility turns grotesque as waste imagery compares his writing to filth, productive only in volume. Even his mission is mock heroic, like Hannibal's, except it destroys wit instead of empires. Flecknoe's final speech sounds like wise advice, but is pure sabotage. Shadwell is urged to remain dull, avoid innovation, and never imitate Ben Jonson. He should stick to trivial tricks, not real poetry. Then Flecknoe drops from the stage, passing the mantle of dullness to his son, who is declared twice as dull as the father. The epic ends where it began, with grandeur exposing emptiness.